Today we're gonna learn some words. The first one, boat. That's B-O-A-T, boat. The next one is tree, spelled T-R-E-E. Next up, a crab. C-R-A-B, crab. The next one, fish. That's F-I-S-H, fish. And now we got a cat. That's the C-A-T, cat. Here we have a cow. Cow is spelled C-O-W, a cow. Next up, a car. That's the C-A-R, the car. Next we got wood. W-O-O-D, wood. Another animal, a bee. That is a bee, E, and another E, a bee. And here we got egg, E-G-G. Next up, the zebra. That's a C E B R A. Zebra. And here we got the lion. That's L-I-O-N. Lion. Check out all those cards with the words again. I hope you had as much fun as I did. If so, be sure to go to our channel, subscribe, and give that video a thumbs up. If you even want to see more fun learning videos, be sure to visit our channel soon. Bye kids!